Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing absolutely fine. Today I'm here with another video and I have the Redmi Note 6 Pro with me. It's the 4GB 64GB variant and in the black color. So let's see what do we get. Let us first remove the plastic film as well as cut the seals. The first thing is the phone itself. Next we have this box in which we have first the SIM ejector tool, next some paperbacks. The first one is telling us about the physical overview of the phone and also telling us about the SIM configuration, that is a hybrid SIM slot, and yeah, that's it. Next we have another booklet which tells us about the SAR information and also tells us about the warranty. That's 1 year warranty for the smartphone and 6 months for the S series. Next let's have a look at the case which has been provided. It's been good touch. It's a black silicone TPU case which will provide it from good strength and prevent it from scratches and dings. Next we have the power brick. This power brick is normal 5 volts 2 ampere. That's a 10 watt power brick, though this phone supports quick charge 3.0 from the box, but it does not include a fast charger. And next is the micro USB cable. Sadly, this is also no type C. Next we have the 6.26 inch full HD plus display here with a Corning Gorilla Glass, as well as the dual front facing cameras and the rear dual front cameras. And at the top we have the headphone jack, which earlier we had at the bottom. On the left we have the SIM tray, and at the bottom we have the micro USB port and the speaker and the microphone grills. Well, I think the main improvement from last gen was the back cameras as well as the front cameras. That's the 12 plus 5 megapixel rear camera and 20 plus 2 megapixel front facing cameras. Well, that's a quick video and I will soon see you in my next video. Bye.